$6.5 today, and these are money people are making from this very platform. Now these are Nigerians making money from this platform also. Now if you come here and put yesterday, now this is over $32. Now these are money real time. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your first or your next $1 in the next 10 minutes of your time using this platform. Now this is a method that works for you anywhere in the world, even if you are from Nigeria. Now you'll be watching me live doing this and making money right in front of you. So I'll be walking you through on every process, how you can sign up, how you can register, verify your account, how you can make this money, and how you can receive your payment. So with all this said, let's go back to my screen as I show you how you can do this and make your next $1 in the next 10 minutes. The first thing to do is to sign up an account. As you can see right here, get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install mobile apps, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. If you scroll down to this very place, you can see daily bonuses, okay? Start earning instantly, referral program, weekly payouts, friendly support staff. All right. Now, if you are doubting this site can pay you, you have to try it out. As you can see, it says sound too good to be true. Okay, sign up and let us prove you wrong. Come over here, click on sign up right here. You put your email address here, you put your password, and you repeat your password here. You click call. Then you click on I'm not a robot. Then you click on sign up an account. So we are going to do that right now. I'm just going to put in my details right now. So guys, once you sign up an account, you are going to be landing in this very page right now. So you can see we have already signed up an account. Our earnings is 0 naira, our referral is 0, our bonus is 0, and our wallet is 0. And my sign up bonus is 5 cents. Okay, if you click on the link in the description, you're going to be getting a bonus upon sign up. Now the first thing to do right now is to complete our profile setup. But before we complete our profile setup, I want to show you something really quick. As you can see, daily goal checklist. Now complete your daily goal checklist below and receive a bonus. Okay, you only have to complete 5 out of the 6 below. It can be done in any order. Now the first thing to do is to complete a full survey from the survey tab. Okay, number 2 is to complete 3 push clicks. Number 4 is to complete 3 slideshow, and number 5 is to complete 3 push clicks again. And number 5 here is to attempt 3 tasks, and number 6 is to complete clicks on the click tab. Now if you complete 5 of these daily checklists, you are going to be having an extra bonus apart from the money you are going to be making from here. Okay, so this is just it, and these are some of the surveys you can do. Okay, as you can see right here, 40 cents, 35 cents, 15 minutes ago, 40 cents, 35 cents, 35 cents. Just go down, and these are money you can make from this platform. And these are the recent tasks completed in your region. Okay, this is just around 60 cents, 130 cents, and so on. So but just come here and come to the leaderboard. If you come to this leaderboard right now, you are going to be seeing some people making some money. If you are able to make the first position on this leaderboard, you are going to be having a $5 first prize cash out every single day, and second prize is $4, third is $3, fourth is $2, and the fifth is what, $1, and the 6th to 30 is 5 cents, and the 30 to 50% is 3 cents, and the 50 to what 100% is just 1 cent. Okay, now these are the top 10 earners for today, and today is very, very fresh, and this person has made over $7, this one has made over $5, this one has made over $5, $5. If we scroll down, you are going to be seeing someone from Nigeria who is making money from this platform. This is working for Nigerians. Okay, if you are from Nigeria right here, this is going to work for you. If you are from other countries also, it's going to work for you. This is working worldwide. This person is from Nigeria. As you can see, he has earned almost $2 right now. Okay, and it's ranking 99. If you log in, you have to verify your email address. As you can see, you must confirm your email by clicking on the confirmation link sent to you in order to receive payment. Okay, if you don't confirm your email, you can't receive payment. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on this very right now to confirm my email address. So as you can see, the confirmation email has been sent. Check your folder. So we are going to go ahead and check our folder to confirm my email address right now. So guys, we all come to our email right now. So once you go to our email address, you just come to your spam folder. So note, it's going to be appearing in your spam folder. So go to your spam folder, then you just come here and you're going to follow the instructions they're going to give you. As you can see, say hello, please follow the link, copy and paste into the browser. So you're going to come here right now. You're going to copy this link right here. We copy the link. Then we're going to come here. We are going to paste it right here. We just paste it, then we're going to click on continue. So we are going to confirm our email. All right, guys, now our email is already confirmed. So we just copy the link, we come here, we paste it here. Now the red line is no longer showing that our email is already confirmed. So guys, let's move on to the next point. Now the next point is to complete our profile verification. So please guys, don't skip any part of this video, so that when you make money from this platform, you'll be able to withdraw your money to your bank account. I'm taking my time to walk you through all these steps so that you not go and miss out, or you not go and make an error while doing this stuff, so that when you make money from this platform, you'll be able to have your money right in your bank account. So guys, please follow these steps and do not skip any part in this very step I'm showing right here. So the next part we're going to do right now is to complete our profile verification. Why are we doing this? So that they can know that we are real human and we can get paid. Okay, so we just come here and click on this very profile image you are seeing right here. So once you click on this, it's going to bring you right here. So once you are right here, you are going to complete your profile verification. Now the first thing to do is to upload your image right here. It's a note: uploading nudes or pornography image will get your account disabled and earnings forfeited. So you don't want to put in any nude or pornography pictures. Okay, you can put in your picture or you can put in something else, but I prefer you put in your picture. It's very important. So we come here, we're going to upload our picture right here. I'm just going to upload and click on upload, click on choose file, and I'm going to select a picture right here. I'm going to put this, I'm going to select this, and I'm going to upload it right here, and I'm going to click on upload. So note guys, we are completed our profile verification. All right, it's very important we complete our profile verification so that we can prove to them that we are not a robot, that we are human. Okay guys, our profile is already updated. We're going to come over here and click on our profile, and right here we're going to put our first name. We come here, you put our first name here. All right, you put your first name. Then you're going to just input all the details right here: your first name, your last name, your address, your postal code, your country, and your date of birth. Put in and your state. Okay, I'm going to do that right now in a jiffy. So I'm going to update it right now. As you can see, it's asking me to please confirm the following information if it's 100% correct. I'm going to confirm it, and it's going to be updated. As you can see, updated. Okay, so you can come here and change your password, change your email, notification, payment method, username, your profile picture. We already done that. So the next thing to do is our payment method. We come to our payment method. We are going to select our payment method. As you can see, I'm going to be showing you the different payment method that is available right here. Come here, we can click and select our payment method. And these are different payment method right here in this platform. Now there is Payee, there's ATM, there's Free, there's Virtual Card, there's Paytm, there's Bitcoin, Litecoin, Hold My Payments, Hard Payment to Wallet Balance. Now these are the payment method right here. If you want to use Bitcoin, you can just go and log into your Binance. Then you copy your Bitcoin address. You are going to paste it here. If you're using your Pay, your Scree, your virtual card, your virtual Visa card, your Litecoin, any of this method you're using, make sure you put in right here. Let's say we are using Bitcoin. We click on Bitcoin. They are going to ask us for our Bitcoin address. We just go to our Binance. We are going to click our Bitcoin address here. If you're using any of this method apart from Bitcoin, they are going to ask us to also input our address here. So we input our address here. We click on update payment method, and we are good to go. As you can see right here, as you can see, ATM, Payee, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and also PayPal. Now, if you don't have a Bitcoin account or you don't have a Bitcoin, you don't do Bitcoin, you can use PayPal. PayPal is one of the general place you can receive and send money. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you check the link in the description. The first related video you're going to be seeing down there is going to be on how you can create and verify an anti-ban PayPal account. Okay, create a PayPal account right now, then you can link it to this very account. All right, this is how you can input your payment method. It's very easy. So once we are done updating our account and updating our payment details, it's time to make some money from this platform. So this is how you can make money from this very platform. We're going to come over to Earn, where we are going to come over to Earn, we are going to be making some money from this platform. Now, if you come over to Earn, these are several ways you can make money from this platform. Now, number one way is service. Number two is content. Number three is tasks. Number four is to refer. And number four is offer wars. Okay. Now, if you answer this survey right here, you're going to be making one cent from this. So as you come to content, you are going to be also seeing some content we can also make money from. Now, content, we have clicks, we have slideshows, we have engagement, we have push clicks. As you can see, total offers available is 37. You are going to be seeing different tasks. Okay, total tasks available is 93, and money available to earn is almost $2.4. All right, so if you can do like 10 of this, if you can do like 20, 30 of these tasks, you can make $1 right now. So we have submissions, we have departures. If you come to refer, that's where you can refer and make money from this very platform. You copy your referral link, and once you refer, as you can see, you will get paid 15% commission on the earnings of, for anyone you refer to $10. Okay, 50% commission. That's crazy, guys. That's just crazy. These are different ways you can make money from this platform. All right, and this is offer wars where you can make money also, but I'm not going to be walking you through everything. We're not going to be doing all these tasks. Now, if you come to offer wars, you can make $14, 8 cents. $19 and all of that. But I'm not going to be doing all these tasks. If I have to do each of these tasks, we are going to be staying long in this very video. So to make this video very short, I'm going to be performing some tasks for you. So let's come over to task. So I just completed one simple task and took me 1 second and I earned 0.00. I earned 0.01 cents. Okay, so after this is another task again. Okay, 0.01 cents. If I come here, if I go to view again, and I'm going to earn some money from it. Okay, so I just click on it. As you can see, you hear that sound. Okay, that's me making some money right here. So if I come back to my wallet right here, you're going to be seeing my wallet is going to be increasing to 2. My wallet will increase to 0.002. Okay, now this is another task again. If I click on this task and view this task right now, I'm going to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Okay, it's just to subscribe to a YouTube channel right now. So I'm going to go ahead and just subscribe to a YouTube channel. So you asked me to subscribe to the YouTube channel, so I will just go ahead and subscribe to Timebook YouTube channel. Subscribe, then I'll come back. Once I come back, if you see my earnings is going to increase right now. Okay, this is another task again. Follow Timebook on Instagram. Now, this is how you can make money from this platform. So with the little time I spent on this platform, just signing in and doing 1 or 2 tasks, I was able to earn almost about $1. Okay, as you can see, this is 6 cents right here, which is almost $1. So this is how you can make money from this platform. If you have any value from this very video, please do it to like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be dropping many updates about related platforms that you can make money from. Now, having 1 or 2 of these platforms can make you a whole lot of money. Now, if you go ahead and click on the first link in the description, you sign up with this platform, you're going to be making money from this. Now, the name of the platform is called Timebook. Check the first link in the description to sign up on this platform, and do it to like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notification. And this is how you can make money from this platform. Now, you can make money via surveys, via content, via tasks, via referring, and via offers. Now, any of these can make you money. Now, within 10 minutes, you can make money from this platform. You can make your first $1 in the next 10 minutes. So, guys, click on the first link, sign up with this platform, and I'll see you in the next video. So guys, this is how you can make money from this platform. If you spend some time with this platform, you can make very good money from it. Other people are really making money from it, even from Nigeria or from any part of the world, and they are making good money from it. Now, you can't make a whole lot of money from it, but the money you can make from this platform can foot 1 or 2 bees. Okay, now if you want to learn more ways to make money, I've compared a full playlist showing you different ways to make money from this platform, and all these platforms support Nigerians. If you click on this playlist showing right here, you'll be accessing all the videos on how you can make a whole lot of money for yourself. So with that said, thanks for watching again. I'm going to be seeing you in this playlist. Bye for now.